Good day to all of you. This is Wency Flores of Sampaloc Elementary School. I am the school head for 3 years in that school, but I'm a school head for almost 13 years. Yes, I started from Karamuan, then I transferred to Gaigsa. So I had a lot of projects and school implemented, but this one is new. This is called Project Flash, which means financial literacy and school hustle. So, why I have here? So, it is required for us school heads to cultivate the financial literacy of our co-workers and of our pupils. So, nagkaroon tayo ng launching of this new project. Yes, and it's called Flash. So, kailangan natin dito ay kailangan natin maging financial literate, critical thinking when making decisions on how to manage money in their daily lives. The curriculum enhances children's money management skill, featuring economic and social studies content that provides a strong focus on finance, mathematics, planning, and analytical skills. So, Chiching, to teach children about 4K fundamental money management concepts. Earn, save, spend, and donate is the rationale or the background of this project. So, pandemic halts the face-to-face classes. That financial literacy program of DepEd was interrupted also. So, wala tayong face-to-face classes. So, this Project Flash is a proponent innovation to teach pupils and parents of financial literacy within their homes and through modules and YouTube videos, through group chats and school Facebook groups. So, hindi tayo na-stop because of pandemic dahil marami pang medium na pwede tayong gumawa ng mga pagtuturo like YouTube and modules. So, kung hindi pa nakabasa, pwede ka dito. And kung hindi pa nakapanood ang mga bata, it's not within their capability, pwede silang tulungan ng parents sa panonood ng ating mga tutorial video. So the project of this project aims to instill the value of money, earnings, and savings, cultivate skills on saving money, improve the spending habit. Okay. So ito pang mga activity natin. So, nagkaroon tayo ng proposal last December 2021 and na-approve siya last December 2021. So, January, we have oriented lang muna sa teachers pero this will be an orientation dahil hindi naman natin na bigyan sa marami nating mga ginagawa or gagawin sa school. So, we have here orientation on parents and teachers on earning and saving. So this one is the first one. And creating modules and comics about financial literacy. So we are starting on that. And also, we have to distribution of literacy modules. Of course, before that, we have to edit first our materials, reading materials. And also, we have to post videos about financial literacy on YouTube's and posting it in school Facebook group with or Facebook group wall. And next one is to implement income generating by teachers and parents through recycling and planting. Next one is to monitor implemented projects and recognizing highest earner or saver teachers and parents through recycling and planting. So let's have the monitoring and implementing and monitoring. So that's it. So we have to, after that is we are going to have our submission of project write up. This project will take cost or budget from MOOE. So this one is expenses and prices in awards or coin banks and expenses on printing materials. So this will be a part of this year activity. So mayroon pa tayong February, March, April, May, June, and July. So we still have 6 months para sa pagsulat, sa editing, and reproduce ng mga modules, and also sa paglagay ng ganitong klaseng videos on YouTube. Okay, so that's it. So, sabi nila, bakit naman tayo magsisave? Wala nga tayong earn, di ba? So, para sa akin, ang financial literacy is not just about having money. It is saving money. For example, like planting. Ano po? Dahil kapag nagplant ka, you're not going to buy a food. You're not going to buy vegetables, you're not going to buy this and buy that. You can save money dahil hindi ka nag-spend. You can get there. Pwede kang kumuha ng sarili mong tanim na okra, talong. Sa municipal agriculture ay nagbibigay sila kung ikaw ay hihingi doon. So, ikaw ang pumunta, kukuha ka ng seeds. Pwede kang humingi sa teachers, pwede kang humingi sa school head kung mayroon silang nakuha. But definitely, ay magkakaroon ka ng libreng seeds. Kung hindi man ito tububo, maybe you can spend 5 peso ang isang mayroon ka na. Or pwede kang humingi sa inyong kapitbahay, pwede kang humingi sa iyong mga pinsan, sa mga nagtatanim, talagang nakikita mo sila na may mga tanim. So, they are generous enough para magbigay sa iyo ng seedlings. Nahihirapan ka naman sa iyong pagdilig. Sabi mo, magdidilig ka pa. You have to recycle water. For example, yung hinugas mo sa bigas. Yes. Yung hinugas mo sa, yung pinakalas na hugas ng plato, wala na yung sabon. So, you can use that. Yung pinakalas mong hugas ng labahin, wala na yung sabon. So, pwede mong gamitin. So, as much as you can, pwede kang maging creative sa pag-save ng water para mapunta mo doon. Or maybe you can use the rain, yung rain catch ng ating, pwede kang maglagay doon ng timba or ng drum kung mayroon ka. Pwede mong i-catch yung water para sa future use. Huwag mo siyang hahayaang maubos na lang nalagay na lang sa soil. So that's it. And also, baka problemado ka na naman dahil walang fertilizer. Of course, yung mga inalis mo sa binili mong gulay, mga isda mong mabubulok yon, pwede mong itago yun sa container, di ba? Para hindi ka mahirapan na maghanap ng pang-fertilize mo. Ilagay mo dun sa isang hukay. First, maghukay ka, or pwede mong itambak sa isang part na pwede siyang mabulok para makunan mo na siya ng iyong fertilized, pa-fertilizer mo na siya. Ano pa ba? So, ayaw mong madumihan ang iyong kamay. Of course, no pain, no gain. Kahit naman sino ang ating ilagay na presidente, sino ilagay nating leader, kung hindi tayo magpapadumi ng ating kamay, wala pa din tayong kakainin. Magugutom pa din tayo. So, part of financial literacy is to have plant your own food. So, mag-start muna tayo dito sa planting. Kung wala tayong sariling lupa na makante, nandito tayo sa city, maybe we can have gulayan sa sako, gulayan sa lata. Just be creative. Pwede kang magtanim sa taas. Kung mayroon tayong second floor, pwede kang magtanim sa baba kung mayroon tayong sa third floor. Okay, so everything is possible kapag ginawa natin ng paraan. Let's not wait for another to have food for us. We can feed our own as long as we're having faith na tayo ay makakasave ng money. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next financial literacy video. Thank you so much.